Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk a little bit about why you're on LinkedIn at all. Well, actually, I want to ask you some questions to help you figure out your why. LinkedIn is the premier digital business networking platform. Nothing better. It has millions and millions of members, and it's growing every day. Now, you have every good reason to want to be there and to want to be active. However, to make the most of it, you need to answer some important questions for yourself. First, you have to ask yourself, why do I want to be on LinkedIn at all? Are you looking for friends or colleagues? Are you looking for a job? Now, lots and lots of people use this platform just as a digital resume. And we all know that there are that many more companies out there recruiting extensively on LinkedIn. So it's a good way to do it. Many of us are on LinkedIn as a way to network and grow our businesses. I am. Now, whatever your reason, you should be very clear about it from the start, because it will shape everything that you do on the platform going forward. Next, you need to answer the who question. Who do you want to find? If you're looking to grow your business, then it's prospects that you're seeking. If you spend time really figuring out not only who would be a good connection, but who would be an ideal connection, that is a valuable exercise. Figuring out who your dream client is will really help you define your niche. Now, that's a subject for a completely different video, and keep your eyes out and we'll send you one. You've heard the phrase, there's riches and niches, right? Well, taking the time to build the profile of that preferred client is a great place to start. Now, maybe another way to put this question is, who do you want to find you? Let's face it, LinkedIn is a very, very active place. And it's quite possible that people will find you before you reach out to them. It happens. When people find you, is your digital look going to make them want to stop and respond or move on? Don't rely on your prospects to be great mind readers. It's a very, very small group. Ultimately, the goal is not just to make connections, but to make the right connections. And you want to reach them in a positive and mutually beneficial way. Now, that's one of the great things about the tools in the Advisorist Toolbox, connecting you with the right people for the benefit of everyone involved. Okay, so crafting this digital look starts with a healthy dose of introspection, looking inside. Ask yourself these and other questions, and if you do that, you'll move closer and closer to figuring out exactly how you want to position yourself on this platform. Let's face it, everyone is not a niche. You can't be all things to all people, but you can be the best possible version of you. And when you are, you'll be able to find and begin working with the people on LinkedIn who want that version. As you keep working on this version, you'll be able to refine it more and more until it truly shows people who you are and why they should be connected and maybe working with you. As Jeremiah likes to say, iterate to great. So no matter where you are on LinkedIn, whether it's as a complete novice or someone with thousands of connections, you can take steps to improve your position. So get started today. There you go.